Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am teaching you guys how to get this smoky purple eye look. I did all of it using the Norvina Palette by ABH. This has been a tutorial that's been long overdue for you guys. I have been playing around with the palette, messing with some of the colors. So today I'm giving you this purple smoky tutorial, which only took 1, 2, 3, 4 colors. But before we get into that tutorial, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Just go down below into the description bar, hit the subscribe button, and while you're there, hit the notification bell so that way you don't miss every time I upload. I upload 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you feel like it and you enjoy seeing tutorials from me, give this video a thumbs up. And tell me down below if there's a color smoky eye you guys would be dying to see me do next. Here's the purple one for you guys. And yeah, let's just go ahead and dive right into this, shall we? Okay guys, so this is it. This is the final look. Very nice, very purple, very smoky, very easy to do. You can also skip out doing the cut crease portion that I did. It wasn't really necessary, but I did it just to have that slightly defined line between my crease and my lid color, which is slightly hidden by the very, very, very long lashes that I put on. All the makeup I used will, as usual, be listed down below in the description bar for you to check it out if you're curious. And tell me down below if there is another color eye look that you are dying to see me do. Blue, green, orange, yellow. Give me a color down below. Whatever one has the most comments or likes, I'll try and do that one next. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!